So, hello, mister. Hope you are good and ready for interview. So, let's start.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell us about yourself without mentioning any name of person and any name of place.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have done my 10th class.
Person. Don't
Okay.
mention any name. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Just say that I have completed my 10th in this year. Don't mention any name according to my question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
No.
I have completed my 10th in 2010 and I have completed my BTech in 2016 in electronics and communication stream.
Okay.
Then I have selected for the campus interview and then I chose a software stream and where I have worked as a manual tester for 1.5 years in Birchesa Polaris.
Hmm.
Then 2017, sir.
2017. Okay.
2017 and I have cleared it and now presently I'm working as postal assistant
Good.
in one of the head offices.
Okay. Okay. What about your father's occupation and siblings?
Sir, I have one sister who she is presently working as a transport analyst in a reputed company, one of the reputed company.
Okay. Good. How can your degree and other knowledge can help our organization in nation building?
Sir, I have completed my BE in electronics and communication, where I have where I think few of the information in regarding this electronic and communication regarding telecommunication, and that would be helpful in the specific activities like phone tapping,
Okay.
other telecommunication secret like cyber issues. So I think I have few knowledge regarding that.
Okay. Good.
So I think this would be helpful, and moreover, I have done as a manual tester in software organization, so that would be helpful.
Okay.
And I think that
Okay.
would
It
be
sounds good. It sounds good. Pakistan is a big threat to the world for peace and humanity. Justify the statement.
Sir, Pakistan is surely a big threat to various nations because it has many issues with USA, India, and Afghanistan, etc. Sir, our internal security is mainly main threat is Pakistan, and many of the groups from Pakistan, many of the insurgent groups or many of other activities which are illegally funded by ISI of Pakistan intelligence, and because of that, there are many bomb blasts such as Parliament attack and Mumbai terror attacks and many other groups, many other attacks. In
Okay.
fact,
According to you, the internal security issue is supported by external issues, or external
Oh.
security issue can make internal security issue here. You can say.
Oh, okay, sir. So this is mainly an internal security issue, and it's indirectly funding many of the external or many of the organizations such as Jaish-e-Mohammed, terrorist groups such as Jaish-e-Mohammed, Lashkar-e-Toiba, and Hizbul Mujahideen, where these organizations are causing a great damage to other nations as well. In fact, the Taliban, which is indirectly supported by ISI, is also causing a great terrorist activities in not only in India but as well as in other countries.
Okay, good. What do you know about ISIS? Leader's name? Tell me the leader's name and why people of Kerala are more intended to join ISIS. Recently in news, 4 women and 14 residents of Kerala have joined ISIS. Why only people of Kerala are intended to join ISIS?
Sir, ISIS is Islamic State. Islamic State insurgent. I don't remember, sir. It's a terrorist
Iraq,
organization.
Syria, Islamic State and Iraq, Syria.
Iraq, Syria.
Okay.
See, sir, this is the group which is the group of Al Qaeda.
Al Qaeda. Is a branch of Al Qaeda. You can say that.
Sir?
You can say that it is a branch of Al Qaeda, or it is derived from Al Qaeda. This is.
Yeah, okay, sir. It's actually a route. The main route is Al Qaeda. It's one of the branches. See, sir, this ISIS is causing a serious. It's a major terrorist organization from in Iraq, and these this mainly this is mainly funded by many of the religious. Um, uh, this is mainly funded by many of the religious Islamic. Uh, it receives so many of donation from Islamic schools and all. These Islamic people, they receive many of the donations, and these from childhood onwards they mold they mold the people of
Why they are
children.
connected? Why they are more connected with Kerala?
Kerala, sir.
Yeah. Connect with Kerala. Because recently that they joined ISIS. No idea. Okay, it's all right.
No idea, sir.
Okay, it's all right. You are given 2 joining letters at same time.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. You are given 2 joining letters at same time. One of UPSC IPS and next one is IBACIO. Which one will be your first preference at that time?
Sir, surely one want to become an IPS officer. Okay. Because the grade of a UPS IPS officer is much more. To be honest, I will surely opt for the IPS Indian Police Service. Because IPS is one of the organization where it's like similar to IB. IPS is one of the organization which we can directly serve the nation. So I think UPSC IPS is the one which I choose, and nevertheless, IBACIO is surely much fascinating job because I like challenges, and I think that would be my second preference, sir.
Second preference, okay. Moving to the next question, what will be your plans in Jammu and Kashmir to motivate the youths and make them patriots for India? If you are suppose you are an IB officer working in Jammu and Kashmir, you have knowledge about stone pelters and the people of Jammu and Kashmir make shield for terrorist militants, and also they help them in attacking on our brave soldiers. So how can you motivate the youths towards our India that they will be patriot for our nation?
Sir, stone pelting and other activities are recently increasing a lot because of huge brainstorming from other illegal groups to the students. Students are blindly coming here and they are getting agitated. They are getting radicalized and they are undergoing these type of activities, which are causing a severe damage to the nation's integrity as well as sovereignty. So to eradicate this, I will first take the help of I will take the help of police as well as other paramilitary forces to identify.
Stop. But here, as an IB officer, what will you do exactly without taking help from any other special forces or police forces? As an officer, what will be your plan? Make a plan here.
As an IB officer,
yes, make a plan.
Sir?
Make plans. What will you do?
Sir, as an IB officer, I'll try to motivate many of the students, because students and at a young age, they are mostly influenced by many of these or groups. So I'll try to motivate, I'll try to just with the help of few of the IB officers or my colleagues or myself, I'll just
implementing
tell the
some
basic.
implementing some activities like sport activities, dancing activities, and knowing about their curricular activities and interest. You can collect
Interest.
you can collect the data from the youth, that what they like, what they want to do, what they want to play, what they want to the job, what kind of jobs they need. You it will be more elaborating answer. Okay.
Okay, sir. Knowing their
Yes, yes.
interests and all, and
Yes,
then
yes, yes.
understanding. Okay, sir.
Sure. What is intelligence failure and counter intelligence? First of all,
Sir, what is intelligence?
what is intelligence failure?
Figure, sir.
Intelligence failure.
Failure, sir.
Yeah.
And counter intelligence.
Yes.
Sir, intelligence failure is is not knowing, not finding the intelligence at the right time. If we encounter a specific, if we are going, if we are about to have a specific terrorist activity at a specific place, then we need to uh, we need to get the full-fledged information regarding that, and we need to respond quickly. If
Okay.
that doesn't happen, then the damage causes, and it's due to lack of intelligence failure.
Okay.
And counterintelligence is the thing where um, sir, counterintelligence is the thing which we are protecting our intelligence from the external sources, which we are protecting our intelligence because nation's defense, finance, etc. Many of the
You can say
many
that
of the
intelligence covered with another intelligence.
sir, intelligence.
Intelligence covered with another intelligence. This will be counterintelligence. In
Intelligence
short,
covered.
yes.
Intelligence covered with another. Okay, sir.
When some intelligence will be covered with another intelligence, or it will be helped with another intelligence, this will be counterintelligence. Or when we break another intelligence for other people's, we can say. So moving to the next question, leave this. Do you know the do you know the name of 5 terrorist organizations active in Kashmir and Pak borders?
Sir,
Okay.
I didn't get you, sir.
Okay. It's okay. Do you know the names of 5 terrorist organizations active in Kashmir and bordering Pakistan?
Sir, the terrorist groups in surrounding the Pak region and India region are Lashkar-e-Toiba,
Okay. Headed by,
Jaish-e-Mohammed.
headed by
Sir, Lashkar-e-Toiba is headed by Maqsoor Azhar, sir.
Masood Azhar.
Masoor Azhar.
Yes.
Azhar.
Masood Azhar. Okay.
Azhar.
Hmm.
And and Jaish-e-Mohammed, Hizbul Mujahideen, and Al Qaeda in India, and
Indian Mujahideen,
Indian Mujahideen, sir.
IS.
ISI is Pakistan.
IS in India.
IS
in India. Okay.
IS in Pakistan.
How China is becoming a big threat to our Indian economy? Explain.
Yes, sir. Sir, one thing which India faces a biggest problem is the counterfeiting currency, fake currencies.
Good.
So so the China mainly damages the economy of Indian economy um, uh, by the fake currency issue. By the fake currency, it uh, um, it destabilizes the economy of India by uh, putting in the fake currency input to the India, and then but that economy is out of records, which we don't pay taxes to the government, and then inflation rates increases. As a result,
This is the only term you have mentioned, but there are lots of terms. You can say that our Indian economy is in threat via China. You can say that marketplaces are captured by China, and you can again classify the markets as IB. Sorry, uh, one sec. Hello. I am in conference. I will call you later. So I'm telling that you can also classify the markets. Okay. Okay. Move to the next.
Okay,
Step. Define urban Naxalism and tell some names connected with this, and also describe their work culture.
Sorry, sir,
Urban
I don't
Naxals.
know.
Recently in news.
Sir,
Recently it is in news. Urban Naxals. Who are urban Naxals?
urban Naxals.
Yes.
I don't have any idea, sir. Sorry, sir.
Don't even you have heard about Gautam Navlakha, Sudha Bharadwaj, Varvar Rao. No.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. It's all right. Is it true that Hindus are in a threat in India? Because many politicians say that Hindus are in threat. Is it true?
I don't think, sir,
Hmm?
because ours is a country where many of the people from other religions live.
Hmm?
I think India is in India's internal security as well as other issues are greatly under threat rather than Hindus, because the terrorist activities are mainly indulged to insist fear among the people, not not only not only
Only to
Hindus,
Hindus.
etc.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay. Okay. You are saying that other issues are main problem for internal and external security, not only Hindus. Okay. It's all right.
yes, sir.
Good. How can we curb violence on basis of fake news in elections and as well as social media? We have heard already that electronic media is spreading fake news, and also it is further spreaded in social medias. How can we curb this? Or say you are an IB officer, and how will you curb it?
Sir, through social media, many of the people are connected now.
Okay.
So presently, this terrorist groups are mainly focusing an easy way to insist fear among the people, or they are try to radicalize a few, and motivate few of the people towards themselves
Hmm?
through their revolutionary ideas, because they can change the minds of the students, or they can instigate the minds of the students by using the weapon called cyber. So I most of
Yeah,
this
okay.
information is getting.
Wait. You are saying that the terrorist groups, but
Yes, sir.
for this work, our leaders, leaders in India also use the fake news for their campaigning. How can you say that they are not involved in this?
Sir, they directly won't involve, sir. They take a proxy method. They have few of these people who are the indirect supporters of these groups. So uh, uh, they can through this way they can motivate many of the people towards their ideologies, and through this they can uh, uh, they can motivate the people and towards themselves. And this is one more reason, and another reason is through the cyber crimes. They can through the cyber crimes they can grab illegal money from uh, various uh, various people,
How
and
can
they can use for the terrorist.
how can you curb it? How
We
can
sir, we can control by providing strict we can control by implementing strict laws regarding this regarding this.
Hmm?
um, by
Is there any regulatory system in our India?
Sir?
Is there any regulatory system in our India
Oh,
to curb fake news and to regulate OTT platforms recently in news?
sorry, sir, I don't have any idea.
Recently, Indian government have implemented regulatory system authority for OTT platforms and social media platforms. Kindly read this, okay? Two silly mistakes done by you in your past life. Two silly mistakes you have done in your past life.
Sir, the
I think first silly mistake is giving mock interview here in my platform. And next one is what?
no, sir. Sir, the mistake I have done is uh, two of the mistakes are my personal.
Okay.
So I'm befriended by a person. So that's the biggest mistake where I have sacrificed few of my goals and all. So that's a mistake which I have done. And second thing is I tried to join in software organization for 1 year, and that's the mistake I think I have done it because
If it is
at that
mistake,
time
if it is mistake, then in starting of interview you have mentioned it in as your experience and your knowledge. This will be definitely not your mistake because you have learned great knowledge from this in this 1 year.
okay, sir.
Okay. If we given an opportunity to select you, so convince us to select you as an IB officer. Convince us.
Sir, I as a person, I'm very flexible in various jobs. Sir, I have done my ECE. After that, I have checked in a software company, and then I have switched to the government jobs. So I have born in an urban area, and then I have done a software job, and then I am presently working as a postal assistant in in a rural area. So
Okay.
I have got accustomed to various places. I know how to deal with people as I'm presently I involve in customer interaction. So I know how to deal with the people, various kinds of people. So and moreover, I am a conflict manager. I have experiences in that, and as I have many experience regarding this manual tester, I think I can easily grab. I can easily. Uh, I think I am an asset. I can prove myself there, and I am a big asset to the organization.
Okay,
And
okay.
then
Of course, okay. So next move to a situation reaction test. Okay. I have a situation here for you. And try to speak in Hindi in this situation. Okay. Try to
okay,
speak. If you are unable, you will be unable to speak in Hindi, then I will allow you to in English. Okay.
okay,
So the situation is that you are in duty to collect very sensitive information from a trained militant group. You have three choices to collect your intelligence from a very trained militant group. First, to arrest one of them and interrogation. Second, disguise yourself as a naked beggar for 20 days. Naked beggar means no without any garment, even no garments. And third one is involving local persons to collect intel. Tell me if you are if you can't get, I can repeat it.
so please repeat it, sir.
Okay, you have given responsibility to collect intel from and very trained militant groups. and
Okay, sir.
some of their members frequently came to an shop. You visited daily that shop. Okay, and you have only three choices. You have only three choices to collect intelligence from them. First is to arrest the people who visited the shop daily and interrogate him first. Second one is to disguise yourself as a naked beggar without any undergarment, without any garment for 20 days. And third one is to take support from the local persons to collect intelligence about the very trained militant group.
Sir, uh, I
Okay,
sir,
reply
no,
in
no, sir. In Hindi, sir.
okay.
In Hindi, sir. Okay. मैं uh, मैं लोकल पर्सन का हेल्प लेना चाहता हूँ.
Okay,
uh, मैं फ्रेंडली मूव करके फ्रेंडली वेज का मूव करके वो 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 मैनेज करेगा.
okay,
वो बताऊंगा इनिशियली क्या क्या होगा, क्या वो.
okay.
एंड
Reason
फाइनली
is
सर,
reason
I'll take the help. I'll take the help of the local people.
as an intelligence officer, I think it will be harmful to you if you take help from local people. I am saying that it will be harmful to you if you take help from local people because you are from another state and working in another state. So the
Okay.
local people will be harmful to you. Then how will you manage the situation? As an IE officer, you have to think. From okay, I take it. You have to go disguise and naked for 20 days. Okay, so that
Okay.
your information never shared with any other person. Okay, and also you can't arrest any one of them because the whole team will get knowledge about it that someone is there to break them. Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay. All the best for your future. Let's stop this here. Okay,
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
well.